Hi, I'm Jennifer Harrington, Senior Naturopath and founder of Parramatta Naturopathic Clinic. Today I'm going to take you through a very simple and traditional cough syrup. We're going to start with some honey, some onion and a jar. Today we're going to be looking at the traditional recipe. In other videos I'll show you some more modern adaptations for cough syrup. But today let's get started the old-fashioned way. Grab yourself an onion, pretty big one, start chopping. When you finish slicing your onions, they go into your jar. You can use any jar. You can have an old Vegemite jar, anything you've got at home. What I've got here is a mason jar. We have heaps of these at my place. They're so versatile. In summer we use them for our salads, and in winter we use them for our cough syrup. So when I've popped in about half of my onion, it's a good time to start putting a bit of the honey in there. Then we keep going. And we pop in some more. Try to move the onion around a little bit so that the honey gets all the way through. And all you're trying to do is cover the onion. You're not trying to fill the jar with honey. Pop the lid on. Pop this in the fridge. In about 24 hours you'll be able to start using it. All you're doing is you're drinking the syrup off the side. Keep the leftovers in the fridge. Honey doesn't go off, so it'll be good to use for the entire season. If you do find that it's getting rather low, just pop some more honey or some more onion in there. Very good for colds, sore throats, also for bronchial spasm, and strongly antibacterial. Enjoy!